Friends, welcome to my YouTube channels. Today I am going to solve the simply supported beam problem but couple the given, couple at point C. So what is the questions here? A simply supported beam AB, 6 meter length, hinge at both end hinge support is there, and subjected to a clockwise couple. So this is the clockwise couple at point C. At point C, this given 24 kilonewton. So this is given 24 kilonewton meter at a distance of 2 meter from the point A, left end A. So they're asking find the shear force and bending moment diagram. So if couple will be there, this little simple only but little concept required. Now look here. Suppose this AB is a beam. Now couple is rotating clockwise. Clockwise rotating, now beam A wants to go up. Beam, see, suppose you rotate this clockwise, beam wants to go up and this will be come down. To do this support reactions, we'll find what will be the action of support reaction. So this will go up, now support reactions definitely will come downward and this support reactions will come upward. So once you will find, you will see. So here also I wrote these things. What is? AB is a simply supported beam. Here one clockwise couple is there. Due to this couple, A will lift up and B will depress. So look here also, if you will see the concept also, suppose this is the beam. Couple like this will be there. Like this will be there. Now what is going? A wants to go up, B wants to go down. So that only I wrote. Now we'll find the support reactions and we'll see. So support reactions once you'll find out what we'll do. Already we know sigma FB, that is called equilibrium equations we'll use. We'll use the equilibrium equation. Equilibrium equation sigma FB equal to 0. So what is under that we are taking? Total upward force equal to total downward force. Now see, what is upward force? RA and RB. RA plus RB. What is downward force here? No force in the beam. No force on the beam. So 0. Give the equations 1. Now we'll find the moment about A. We'll find the moment about A. So these are the equilibrium equations. So moment about A equal to 0. That means total clockwise is equal to total anti-clockwise moment. Total clockwise moment equal to total anti-clockwise moment. So now see this moment we'll see at A. A point is fixed. So what is the couple here? Clockwise. So we'll write here what is 24. Direct because couple is there, so direct we'll write 24. Now this clockwise rotation. What is this rotation? This rotation is anti-clockwise. So anti equal to RB into total distance how much? 4 plus 2, 6. By moment about the rotational force into perpendicular distance. So it will be 6. So then RB, if we'll find RB, how much will come? 24 divided by C. So 4 kilonewton. What is this one? RB. Suppose RB is 4 kilonewton. Now I'll substitute the equation 1. So RA equal to minus 4 kilonewton. Because RA is equal to minus RB. So RB is equal to 4. So minus 4 kilonewton. Now look here what are the couple doing? Couple to clock due to the couple wise A wants to go lift up. So apna vertical force required to balance the beam. So negative came. So once we'll draw the again one beam will draw. So that means 4. This is the RA will come 4 kilonewton. Then RB, we'll draw the beam also. We'll draw the beam also here. So new again beam will draw, then we'll indicate the support reaction. So here RB will be 4 kilonewton. 4 kilonewton. RA is equal to minus, so the downward. And here as usual couple will be there 24 kilonewton meter. So this point C, this is point A, this is point B. Now we draw the. So from the support reactions, what we observe? Downward. Due to the clockwise moment, when A wants to lift up, so support reactions come upward directions. Now we'll find the shear force diagram calculation. Shear force diagram calculation. So what is the shear force diagram calculation? So for the sign conventions, already always I am writing here. So again, similarly we'll write. This is the section. This is right side. This is left side. So we'll take here. We'll take downward force will be positive. Here upward force will be positive. There here upward force. Here downward force. It will be negative. This is the support reaction. This is the sign conventions for this. So downward force will be negative. Okay. So positive. So this will obey here. So now see at point A. At point A. What is the at point A? At point A, I am taking from the left side, downward force, negative. So minus 4 kilonewton. Downward force, negative. Now, shear force diagram at B, because no load in between. In between, no load. So, direct shear force at B. Shear force at B, upward. But up to this first minus 4, upward. Left side upward positive plus 4. So shear force at B will be 0. So now we'll draw the shear force diagram. So first we'll extend this line and all. We'll extend this line. So shear force diagram. First we'll draw the shear force 0 line. That means this in this line shear force will be 0. So that's this line known as 0 shear force line. So shear force will be 0. What is A? Minus 4. So we'll go the minus 4. Then in between no load. So we draw the horizontal line because no load, horizontal line for the point load. We draw the horizontal line. Now this 0, so it will go up to here 0. So now we'll hatch this. This is the shear force diagram. See this is negative. Shear force diagram. You can write here shear force diagram. So shear force diagram we know now. So this is point A, this is point B. Okay, shear force diagrams over. Now we'll go the bending moment calculation. So this we can write 4 kilonewton. This both sides up to. Okay. Now bending moment calculations. Bending moment diagram calculation. Now bending moment at A, at B. Bending moment at A will be 0. Bending moment at B will be 0. If you calculate also, it will come 0. Now we'll find the bending moment at C. Bending moment at C. So C at point couple is there. So we are taking from the left side. So we'll write left. That means what is meaning of MCL and MCR? MCL means I will not consider this couple just before the C point. MCL na just this meaning is before the C point. If we'll take the R means just that point and beyond. That means we'll consider the couple also. Okay. So what is MC? Now sign conventions also required here. So if we'll take the clockwise moment R, anti-clockwise, this is clockwise, this is ACW will be negative. Then if we'll take here anti-clockwise, positive, and here anti-clockwise, so this is clockwise, left side anti-clockwise, left side will be put negative, from downward positive. So see here we are taking moment about CL. So due to this point, so A going this way. What is this one? Clockwise. Clockwise positive. So what will be there? 4. 4 into, what is the distance? 2. So 8 kilonewton meter. So already is there 4 kilonewton meter left side. Clockwise. So the given how much here negative, no? So 4 is given negative. Already 4 RA is there negative. So this will come minus 8 kilonewton. So already this negative is there. Now MCR minus, don't write minus directly because here we cannot write. So at point C, so minus 4 into 2 clockwise positive. So how much? 24. So minus 8 plus 24 is equal to 16 kilonewton meter at point R. This is the moment and both point will be 0. So now we'll draw the bending moment diagram. We'll draw the bending moment diagram. So we'll draw the 0 bending moment line. So this is line of the 0 bending moment line. In this line, bending moment will be 0. So point B bending moment 0, point A bending moment 0. So MCL. So this line already we extend here. So what will be there here? Minus 8. So it will go because point load. So it will be inclined line. It will be inclined line. Okay, now bending moment at point C. So it will go here. How much here? 16. 16. Here how much coming? 8 kilonewton. Now remaining B. So here we'll join this line. We'll join this line. So we join this line. So this is the bending moment diagram. So what we are observing here, in this point couple, if we'll take bending moment about C, so direction is reverse. So minus 4 into 2 minus 8 kilonewton. So it's coming down. Now same point, if we'll take MCR, suppose MCR you will not take, this diagram you will not get. So that's why once in this particular point we are finding the moment, suppose 2 load acting, so one will take L, that means in that particular point, L means particular point, it will not act, like this moment will not act. But once I am taking MCR, that means just beyond this point, L means just before this point. So just beyond this point, just before this point, we'll consider here. So 24, once we are considering R, that means just beyond this point, so 24. So this is 16 kilometer. So this way we can find out the bending shear force and bending moment diagram. So couple that you have to careful. Once find the support reactions, load will not be there. You have to see either clockwise or anti-clockwise. According to this, load support reactions will come. Then similarly, like we can find the shear force and bending moment diagrams. Okay. Okay, friends, watch this video, subscribe the channel, share this video to the maximum friends so they can get the benefit. Okay, thank you.